Dear investors, hey, good afternoon to you there. Okay, today I went on inspection to see properties, and on my way out I saw beyond what I had seen before concerning the houses that were destroyed on this axis, and it's all because they were built on the drainage. It's not the fault of the government to have had this place destroyed. We can see them. That fence you are seeing right behind me is where properties are supposed to end, where buildings are supposed to end. But because of the greediness of we humans trying to make sure that we sell and make money, we go ahead to build on drainages. Later we will say houses are being flooded and they are being carried away. But the truth is, humans are going beyond their reach. Look at what we've got here. I will show you more videos of houses. I'll show you videos of houses down. I'll switch the camera for you to see. Can you see right behind me? Look at houses right behind. I came from behind there and I saw a lot of beautiful houses that were broken. I tell you, I felt it within me, because these are people's savings that has gone in this. I'm going to show you the videos of others so you can see. Possibility that this old land, say, this old road that I'm passing on, because if they can break both fence like this, hi, wahala. I hope you understand where this land is. Right, let me put it on 0.5. No. See houses. See how people's houses are so exposed, and some people have totally lost their home like this. So this entire road that I'm walking through by, they are not on the living anymore. I'm telling you, it's possibility that this building itself are going. No. It's necessary to do due diligence. So very, very necessary. Wole. Hey, and this place now is the back of that Moby Road. That place we did video the other day. I want later on walk on. Let me see if I can make my way to that Mobile junction. Okay, my baby by Lolinde. See. So you fight her. No, well done. This one, I don't even know if they even lived here at all. Okay. I'm not even sure if they started living in any of these houses yet. Okay, they did. Someone looks like they did not live in there. Maybe they just packed out. Hey, Udindile, Mawura. Hi. Yeah. Itaraje mamu efa. Che. Hey, 60 million, 50 million, 70 million. What is on? Oh, look it. Well done. Good afternoon. I know do your video. Hey, hi. Wow. Now, wow. It's so hurtful. It's so hurtful. Eh? These ones now, they have the foresight and they didn't go beyond their reach. But look at these people. They know that this place is the place they can get to. It's their building like this. Another building like this. Eh? I still suspect that these houses will go. If not now, in the nearest future. There's possibility. Because look at the build, they broke it down to that level. Well done. Janetta. Hi. Look at Job. Look at what is going on here. Maybe this fence is where they wanted to get. Okay, from here. From here now, from here.
Here now, go like that.
Okay.
See where they break and stop.
Okay.
That's where you want to break it. So from here they will use this side. See where they will pass their fence.
Okay. So that they will know that this is the this is the boundary. Then whatever is remaining, they can use it for whatever. Kai.
Look at this one that you just start. You finish the way to paint.
They are working on.
Just finish everything.
Oh, you mean this one that the fence? Where they put that machine? Where I they see the foundation? They just build and finish. Way. You know, say I don't see this place. I stand for that side. I do video reach. I see all this one. But I just say na here end. When I come from that side, can't see all the houses. It is well. Yeah? My people, hey, see wetin I see yo. No put money no put money if you never sure don't waste money Hey, developers, they will build, they will sell. It's no more their business. They will go. Yeah. But you that you have put your money, now you go know am for body. See, you can see this fence. Look at how solid the foundation is. Look at it. Look at raft. Look at the concrete for the foundation. Look at it. And it was built to the fence. And that is the fence that actually has the, okay, just on this line, more like where that building ends. Hey, so all of this where I am standing currently is supposed to be for drainage. So they practically encroached on the drainage. See, see what they're using to get out, to be able to drill the fence. See the kind of solid foundation that was even done on it. But if this didn't come up before now, people would have, in fact, I'm sure people would have paid for this property, even though they said they just finished it and it was just for them to paint it before this came up. I feel very, very sorry for people that paid for this. I really feel very sorry. I feel very, very sorry. I feel very, very sorry. I feel very, very sorry. This is weird. Look at the kind of drilling they are doing here to be able to destroy the houses that they just built. Okay. So, in conclusion, what I'll tell clients is that to get any sort of property, you need to do your due diligence. It's very, very important, especially for houses, especially for people that are buying houses, because when you want to buy land, you want to check the location, if it is under government's acquisition. You want to check if government does not need it for some allocation or for some particular things. But in this case, it is home buying. Home buying. Builders have built, developers have built. It is just for you to buy. Now they have sold, and it is the ones that bought that have suffered it. Please, I'm pleading with us, because the things I had seen today, I needed to do this video. I had come to see this place before, but with the ones I saw, they were just extraordinary. I needed to do this video, and that's why I'm putting it out to everybody. It is necessary to do your due diligence. Do it as many times as possible. Do it as many times as possible. Look at this property I'm standing on here. Look at the thick fences. Look at the thick fences. Look at the machine trying to drill into these fences. That is how much they had made it strong. This particular property was just built only for them to paint, only for them to paint, to plaster and paint before everything was broken down. It's necessary to do the due diligence. Do your due diligence. Do your due diligence. Check, because it's a hard-earned money we are talking about here. Hard-earned money. Hard-earned money we are talking about. Families now, they are elsewhere. They were relaxed in their houses, but no more. So, my dear investors, I decided to bring this because it is very necessary to know what to do when it comes to buying a home or buying a land. It is very important to do your due diligence. I'll see you again some other time. Thank you. Anyway, at least the drainages will be opened. Drainages will be opened from here. We will know where it should actually end.